Most traders try to sell highs and buy breakouts, but smart money does the opposite. On the 15-minute time frame, price does not move randomly. It first hunts sell-side liquidity, then shifts market structure, and only after that delivers price from discount to premium. A discount trader waits patiently, not for indicators, not for emotions, but for sell-side liquidity to be taken, for change of character to appear, and for price to respect institutional order flow. In this video, I will show you how smart money buys at discount and sells at premium, using this exact chart. Look at this chart carefully. Before price moves up, it first moves down on purpose. Those equal lows at the bottom are not support. They are sell-side liquidity. That is where retail traders place their stop losses. Smart money pushes price below those lows to trigger those stops. This move is called a liquidity sweep. It is not real selling, it is smart money collecting orders. Once sell-side liquidity is taken, price immediately changes behavior. You can see a clear change of character after the sweep. That tells us selling is finished. Now, smart money has fuel. Price moves from discount toward premium, and that is exactly why the market rallies strongly after the sweep. So remember, first liquidity is taken, then direction is delivered. An unmitigated point of interest is a price area where smart money has unfinished business. It is created by strong institutional imbalance. On this chart, when price previously moved down aggressively, it left behind an unfilled selling area. Price never returned to this zone. That is why it is called unmitigated. After sell-side liquidity is taken and market structure shifts, price is delivered higher on purpose. The destination is not random. It is this unmitigated point of interest in premium. Smart money buys at discount, but it does not hold forever. It needs liquidity to sell. When price reaches this unmitigated area, institutions execute sell orders into late buyers and breakout traders. That is why price reacts sharply from this level. It is not resistance. It is institutional supply being filled. So remember, an unmitigated point of interest is not a guess. It is a destination. Change of character is the first sign that smart money has shifted intent. It does not mean entry. It means direction is changing. On this chart, after sell-side liquidity is taken, price stops making lower lows. Instead, it breaks the previous internal high. This is the change of character. Before this point, the market was bearish. Selling was respected. After this point, selling fails. Change of character tells us that distribution is finished and accumulation has begun. This is where smart money reveals direction but hides the entry. From here, price creates inducement and pullbacks, allowing smart money to build positions at discount before delivering price toward premium. So remember, change of character is not confirmation to trade, it is confirmation to change bias. Internal or minor inducement is how smart money traps traders inside the move. It happens after change of character, not before. On this chart, once the market turns bullish, price starts making small pullbacks. These pullbacks look like reversals on the 15-minute time frame. Many traders sell here too early. But these internal highs and lows are not real turning points. They are inducement levels. Smart money allows price to dip slightly to attract sellers and trigger early stop losses. This provides liquidity for smart money to continue building long positions. Notice that price respects structure after each pullback. There is no real bearish displacement. Internal inducement keeps traders confused, while smart money stays in control. So remember, internal inducement is not weakness. It is preparation for expansion. Major or external inducement is where smart money prepares the final move. It forms after internal inducement is complete. On this chart, price pushes higher and starts creating obvious highs. These highs attract breakout buyers and momentum traders. The market looks strong and safe to buy. This is not continuation strength. This is inducement. Smart money allows price to expand just enough to pull in late buyers and build buy-side liquidity. That liquidity becomes the fuel for the next move. Notice how price holds structure without aggressive selling. This tells us institutions are not finished yet. Once enough buyers are trapped, price is ready to be delivered into premium, toward the unmitigated point of interest, where smart money exits positions. So, major inducement is not the end. It is the setup for the end. Sell-side liquidity is where most traders give up. For smart money, it is the objective. On this chart, you can see clear, equal lows. These lows are not support. They represent stop losses placed by sellers and late breakout traders. Smart money does not sell into weakness. It drives price toward these lows to trigger stop losses and collect liquidity. Once sell-side liquidity is taken, price has no reason to continue lower. Selling pressure disappears because institutional buying is complete. This is why the market reacts sharply after the sweep. The move upward is not emotional. It is engineered. Sell-side liquidity is not where the trend ends. It is where the real move begins. So, for a discount trader, sell-side liquidity is not fear. It is the target. Now let us talk about sell trade execution using this chart. This sell is not taken randomly. It is taken only after smart money completes its objective. Price first moves from discount and delivers into premium. Here we reach an unmitigated point of interest. This is where institutions are expected to sell, not buy. Notice how buy-side liquidity has already been created above. Late buyers are entering with confidence. This gives smart money the liquidity needed to exit long positions and execute sell orders. Now look closely at the chart. There is one big bearish candle that many traders miss. That candle is not just momentum. It is displacement. That strong candle confirms institutional selling. It tells us the distribution has started and buyers are trapped at premium. Sell execution is not taken on hope. It is taken after rejection, displacement, and failure to continue higher. So the sell is executed from premium, after liquidity is used, and after smart money shows intent. This is how high-probability sell trades are built.